Good morning students, I am N.P. Anandi, your social science teacher. We are going to see the first lesson of Geography. Geography, Unit 1, India, Location, Relief and Drainage. India அமைவிடம், நிலத்தோற்றம், வடிகால் அமைப்பு. Introduction. India, 7th largest country in the world. Second largest country in Asia. 2.4% of total area of the world. The area 32,87,263 square kilometer. Many of Indian states are larger than several countries of the world. India's land and water frontiers. India shares its 15,200 km long land frontier. Pakistan in the west, Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. India subcontinent. Continental characteristics. Physiography, climate, natural vegetation, mineral, human resources, etc. Hence, India is known as subcontinent. Location and extent. India extends from 8 degree 4 dash north to 37 degree 6 dash north latitudes and 68 degree 7 dash east to 97 degree 25 dash east longitude. Hence, India is located on the northeastern hemisphere. States and Union Territories. Look at the map. India has been politically divided into 29 states and 7 union territories for administrative convenience. India's central meridian is 82 degree 30 dash east. Look at the map. Look at the calculation. Major physiography divisions of India. First one, the Himalayan mountains. Second one, the Great Northern Plains. Third one, Peninsula Plateau. Fourth one, Indian Desert. Fifth one, the coastal plains. Sixth one, the islands. Himalayan mountains. Himalayan mountains, 2,500 km, Indus Gorge, Brahmaputra Gorge. The palm is not roof of the world. The term Himalaya, Sanskrit, the abode of snow. There are 3 divisions. First one, the Trans-Himalayas. Second one, Himalayas. Third one, Eastern or Purvanchal Hills. Aravalli Ranges is the oldest fold mountain range in India. Peaks. Out of the 14 highest peaks in the world, Himalayas holds 9 peaks, country, height and meters. Mount Everest, Nepal, 8,848. Second one, Mount K2 or Godwin Austen, India, 8,611 meters. Kanchenjunga, India, 8,598 meters. Maglu, Nepal, 8,481 meters. Dhaulagiri, Nepal, 8,172 meters. Nanga Parvat, India, 8,126. Annapurna, Nepal, 8078. Nanda Devi, India 7800. Gurla Marudatta, நேபாளில் இருக்கு 7728. Glacier. Moving masses of ice is called glacier. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Ziagan. Hill station. Simla, Missouri, Nainital, Almora, Ranikhet, Darjeeling. Passes. The major passes in the Himalayan are Karakoram passes. Karakoram passes, Jesila passes, Jikila passes, Pemitila passes, Nadula pass, Khyber pass, Polan pass. Purvanchal hills, Tafla hills, Abora hills, Mismi hills, Patkoi hills, Naga hills, Manipur hills, Mizo hills, Tripura hills, Migir hills, Gagra hills, Kosi hills, Jaintila hills. Importance of Himalaya. Himalayas blocks southwest monsoon winds. 5 mark question, repeated question, important question. It forms a natural barrier. It is the sources of many perennial rivers. Paradise of tourist, natural beauty. Pilgrimage center like Amendranath, Kendranath, Badrinath and Vaishnavi Devi temple are situated here. 2 mark question, 5th point kepanga. Provide raw material for many forest-based industries. 7th one, prevent the gold wind from the Central Asia and protect India. Last one, Himalayas renowned for rich biodiversity. The Great Northern Plains. The sketches of alluvium in the world, and it is deposited by the rivers Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. Length 2400 km. Area over 7 lakh square km. Sediment deposition in the plains. Babar Plains, south of Sivalik, not suitable for cultivation, only big trees with large roots thrive in this region. Tarai, the south of the Babar Plains. In the many states, the Tarai forests have been cleared for cultivation. Bangar Plains, formed by the older alluviums, rich in humus content, good for agriculture. Khadar Plains, a new alluvium is known as Khadar or bedland, enriched by the fresh deposition of silt every year during the rainy season. It's highly fertile soil. Delta Plains. The deltatic plains is an extension of the Khadar land. It consists of old mud and new mud and marshy. Uplands are called the Chars, marshy area or called the Bills. Northern Plains of India is divided into 4 major regions. First one, Rajasthan Plain. Second one, Punjab Haryana Plains. Third one, Ganga Plains. Fourth one, Brahmaputra Plains. The Peninsula Plateaus. Area 16 lakh square kilometer. Old Rocky Plateau region. Third one, bordered by Aravalli Hills in the northwest. Bangalgan Upland, Kaimur and Rajmahal Hills in the north. Western Ghats in the west side. Eastern Ghats in the east side. The peak of Animudi is the highest point in the plateau. The river Narmada divides the Plateau region of India borderly into two, the Central Highland, another one Deccan Plateau. Central Highland, western part Malwa Plateau, eastern part Chota Nagpur Plateau, rich in mineral resources in this plateau. Deccan Plateau, triangular in shape, Western Ghats from the west edge, Eastern Ghats from the eastern edge. Eastern Ghats join the Western Ghats at the Nilagiri Hills. The Indian Desert, the Thar Desert, the Great Indian Desert area, 2 lakh square kilometer. The major divisions, Marustali, the actual desert regions, Bangar, semi-desert regions. Coastal plain. The coastal plains divided into two types. First one, the western coastal plain. Second one, eastern coastal plain. The western coastal plain, it is lies between the western coastal and Arabian Sea. Second one, it extends from Rana of Kutch to Kanyakumari. Divisions, Konkan Coast, Konark Coast, Malabar Coast. The eastern coastal plains, it lies between the eastern coastal and the Bay of Bengal. It extends from West Bengal to Kanyakumari. Divisions, Northern Sarkar and Coromandel Coast. See the map. Islands, Andaman and Nicobar, 572 islands, Lakshadweep, 27 islands. Drainage system of India. A drainage system, integrated system of tributaries, drain surface water into the sea, lakes or some other body of water. Rivers, Himalayan rivers, peninsular rivers. Himalayan rivers, Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra. Peninsular rivers, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmadai, Dabdi. Look at the map. Indian rivers and lakes. Narmadai, Dabdi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna. Recap. Physiographic divisions discussed. Northern mountains, Northern Great Plains, Plateau region, Indian desert, coastal plains, islands clearly outlined, drainage system of India elaborated. Thank you students. Take your book and read the lessons. Thank you.